Today I'm going to show you how to create a fantasy photo manipulation in Adobe Photoshop. First open your lasso tool from the toolbar, and then select the grass. Press Ctrl J to cut the image from its background. Double-click on this, and I'm going to name this target color. Now go to File, Place Embedded, and place your second image. Then I'll decrease the opacity. Now use these handles to adjust the size and position. When you're happy with your photo size and position, hit Enter on the keyboard. Set the opacity back to 100%. Then right-click and rasterize layer. Press Ctrl J to duplicate, and rename it Highlights. Disable the layer. Select the layer below. To match the fish color to the original image, go to Image, Adjustments, and Match Color. Open the source, and select the name of the document that we're working in. And then select the target color layer below. Then click OK. Click on the adjustment layer, and create a levels. Click on the clip to layer icon. I'll increase the shadow input to 20, and the highlight input is 165. Then close Properties. Now disable the fish layer. Open your polygonal lasso tool from the toolbar. Let's zoom the image. And then make a selection of the areas which are covering the fish. Enable the fish layer, then create a layer mask. Press Ctrl I to invert. Click the FX icon and choose the drop shadow. The blend mode is multiply. The color is black. The opacity is 65%. Make sure use global light is checked. The angle is 60 degrees. The distance is 151 pixel. The spread is 20%. And the size is 172 pixel. Then click OK. Right-click on the FX icon and create layer. Select drop shadow layer. Then create a mask. Then press Ctrl I to invert. Open your brush tool from the toolbar, and with a soft round brush. I'll make the brush opacity as 50%. And the flow is 100%. Make sure foreground color is white. And just paint on the grass just like that. Now let's create a new layer. And I'm going to name this house shadow. Click the foreground color, and choose black, then click OK. And just paint on the fish just like that. Select the mask of the fish layer, and make sure foreground color is white, and paint with white to erase the extras. Now enable the top layer. Change the blend mode of this layer from normal to screen. Create a layer mask, then press Ctrl I to invert. And just paint on the eye. Click on the adjustment layer, and create a color lookup. From the drop-down, select the late sunset. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Hold the Alt key to split the black slider of the underlying layer. Click OK once you're satisfied. I'll decrease the opacity to 50%. Go back to adjustment layer, and create one more color lookup. From the drop-down, select the 3 strip. Then close Properties window. Decrease the opacity to 70%. And that's it. Thanks for watching.